another Milwaukee lens kit for their hard hats. It's tool free, got a bunch of comfortable visor angles. It raises and lowers the headlamp easily by toggling it. Lasting fog-free interior coating. A bolt eye visor. Yeah, so let's put it on this hard hat. Here's one of my two hard hats that I have from Milwaukee that I use sometimes, mostly for yard work on this one, and the other one for CERT, FEMA for CERT tool bag. Okay, so these are tinted visors. They look cool. And with these Milwaukee visors, they don't work with this little bracket that comes with the original helmet. They come with their own new bracket. But to put them on, pretty simple. Just line up the back curved part with the front of the glasses. Have that Milwaukee bolt upright so you can see it. Then there's a little curved area with notches to match the curved area and notches on the helmet. Just put it on and slide it down. And then when you have it in place, unlock to the right. Oh, that's locked. So that's unlocked. See the little red mark? That locks it, holds that on here. And you got the helmet on, the visor on the helmet. That's storage location, storage position. Come down, put it on your head. Go back as far as you can on these right here. Raise it up into here on your forehead, and you're good to go. Now, let's take a look at how you add a spotlight to the front. As I mentioned, this doesn't work on here anymore. This little attachment has a little rubber band type attacher here, and it just slides the same type of grooves. It slides over these. So when we want to put a light on, as long as the light can be attached to those types of grooves, you can put it on. They actually come apart here, so there's an opening here on both sides, and similarly you attach it to your light the same way. You either have to feed it through. If yours has a groove on it, you can just put it on the same way. Slide it in, slide it down, in, slide it in, slide it down and back in. Okay, then reach it over here to this side and back up. You have the light on, this just slides over. It clicks onto the bottom here. And then you have your light. Milwaukee has lights. It works with third-party lights also. And when you want to take this off, this is clipped here. I found the easiest way is to unlock the whole visor, and then it all pulls up easily. Put the visor back on, slide it. Put your light, slide it back on. Pretty cool. Let's try it on. Okay, stowed up here, come down, push it back in. It's cool. Cool shaded visor. No more rubber banding around the back of the helmet on your ears. Just take it out of the way. Stow it. Put it up here if you want it quicker. Stow it. So here's how if we have to change the lens, although it's sort of scratch proof, scratch resistant, you just take it off again, take the light off, and there are little tabs here you push in on both sides. You can feel them indent a little bit, and then while you're holding it, you just pop this out here I like that tab right there. It makes it a little bit easier to come out. Comes out. Press this one again. Use the tab. It's a little practice. Once it starts popping out, it comes out. Change your lens out. Put the lens back on. See, make sure we have this right. It's going to go up here. So this has to go here. So you're just going to feed it this little tab and this little piece back into this hole. And it's got to fit in these two ridges here, so you just sort of play with it a little bit. Get it in there. Lock it back and forth. Snaps in. Same on this side. There you go. All right, good to go. Put it back on. Milwaukee's really clever with these safety helmet features. Really, really nice set of visors / goggles. And lastly, check it out. You can stow it with the lens on the top. I usually have them loose on the shelf or in the bag. I like to put the lens inside my helmet, and maybe in a little bag to try to keep it from scratching up. You can take that little visor part, put it inside here also, whatever you want to do, or you could take the light off. See, it looks like it'll fit better over here. Yeah, that's how I like it. Okay, they do make helmet bags, even if you're putting it in a backpack or on a shelf. Keep it nice and tight. Milwaukee bolt.